How to search for songs on YouTube Music. Finding a specific song, artist, or even a playlist inside of YouTube Music is the most common thing that you need to do, whether you're using the YouTube Music app on your phone or using the website version. You can just search up either the song, the album, the artist, as well as if you remember few lines of your lyrics will also bring up the song that you're trying to listen to. So just click on the search bar on the top, and then as I said, search one of these options. As you start to type in, it will give you suggestions so that you can take a look at these suggestions as well and find the song or the artist that you're looking for. Now what you can also do is, these are all of the different categories that you can go into and take a look at or explore more songs that you may like or may find interest of. Also, you can head over to the explore section on the left hand side, and it's going to show you different albums or mixes that it already has created into different genres as well. So you can take a look at the explore section as well, and you'll be able to explore more music. But for the most part, the simplest way is to click on this search bar and search for particular songs, artists, or albums that you're trying to listen to. Using these search filters and categories, it will help you to find the exact song that you're looking for. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.